In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed ramp in Premiere Pro. Speed ramping is a great way to add energy, emphasis, or drama to your footage by changing how fast a clip plays over time. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can follow along and get clean, professional results right away. First, add the clip you want to speed ramp to your timeline. Make sure you're working on the video track and give yourself some room to work by expanding the track height. You can drag the boundary of the video track in the timeline to make it taller. A larger track makes it much easier to see and click on the control line you'll use in a moment. If you need more precision, zoom into the timeline so your playhead lands exactly where you want. Now enable time remapping on that clip. Right-click the clip, go to Show Clip Keyframes, then Time Remapping, and choose Speed. You'll see a thin white horizontal line appear across the clip. That line is your speed control line. At this point, it represents 100% playback speed from start to finish, so everything is playing at normal speed. Next, set the points where the speed changes. Move the playhead to the exact moment you want the change to begin. Hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click directly on the speed line to add a keyframe. Then move the playhead to where you want the change to end and add a second keyframe the same way. These two keyframes bracket the portion of the clip where you'll adjust speed. With that section selected, it's time to change the speed. Click between the two keyframes to target that region. Drag the white line upward to speed it up. As you drag, a percentage indicator appears so you can see precisely how fast you're going. Numbers around 200 to 300% produce a punchy, fast motion. Drag the line downward to slow it down. 50% gives you half speed, and 10% creates a very dramatic slow motion effect. Everything outside the keyframes remains at 100%. If the effect feels too sudden, try moving the keyframes farther apart to give the adjusted speed section more breathing room. Press the spacebar to preview, and fine-tune the percentages and timing until the motion feels just right. If playback stutters while you preview, temporarily lower the program monitor resolution or render previews to see a smoother result. And that's it. You've placed your clip, enabled time remapping, added speed keyframes to mark the change, and adjusted the speed line to dial in the exact percentage you want. With these steps, you can create clean, controlled speed ramps that elevate your edit.